Okay, we're getting ready to go, and it is time to see if my fix on the slides and the jacks worked. So I'm either going to be happy or I'm not going to be happy. So we have a pre-travel checklist that we follow. Refrigerator is locked, dishwasher is locked, closet doors are locked, bedroom door is closed, shower doors are locked, bathroom door is locked into position, microwave plate is done, recliners are back, carpet runners are down, windows are closed, cupboards we've checked, TV antenna is off, Wi-Fi is off, the water pump is off, hot water heater is off, dining table is locked into position, and the Berkey stand. Is it done? It is done, Kelly says. So, the moment of truth. Here we go. So we'll bring the outdoor side in first. Yay, it worked.
That's always a good thing.
So now we're going to do the door side.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a nice sound. We like that. Okay, so the slides work. Now it's time to check the jacks. So we're done here. The checklist is complete. Lights are off. Checked all the cupboards. Vents are down. Let's go try the jacks. We're going to retract the left rear. Oh yeah, liking that a lot. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to run the right side up and pull our blocks. So here we go. Ready?
Yep.
No clicks, no stops. This is a good thing. Yay! So my fix, my resettable fuse link is a success.
Yay!
So if you have an issue with your jacks and or your slides, take a look at that resettable fuse link. Oh my goodness, I wouldn't have guessed. So it looks like we're good. I'm going to bring those jacks up, and then we're going to get ready to hook up. So on the road again, here we go.
It's 32 degrees
And sleet.
And sleet. And it is flipping cold. We need warm weather. We're really sad, even though I'm smiling because I'm excited. I love travel days. But we're sad because we're leaving our daughter and her family, our two grandsons.
Turn left on West US 380.
And family and friends. So that'll be sad, but we're really excited to get to South Texas.
Welcome to the Rio Grande Valley. That's what the locals call it anyway.
Yeah. RGV.
RGV.
Rio Grande Valley.
We got here and there was somebody sitting in our spot. And to give you an idea, this is a development. And I don't know how many RV spaces they have, but they sold them and they are purchased, and then if the owners are either have more than one or if they're not staying in their space, then they rent them out. And we rented this for January, February, and March through the winter to see how we like South Texas. So we got here and there was somebody in our space. They thought we were coming in the day after we finally got here, but you know, when we got here, they moved for us.
Yeah, they were really nice.
And we were greeted by our neighbors, and we went to a New Year's Eve celebration and have just had a great time.
It's been fun. We've been going a lot. Going.
We have.
It's been fun.
It has.
Yeah, we met a lot of neat people.
So as you saw, the fix for the slides and the jacks worked. We got the coach set up. It didn't spit, it didn't sputter, it didn't
So nice.
Nothing. So that's fixed. That little resettable fuse link took care of the issue. And you know, if you have questions, if yours is doing the same thing, leave a comment below, and you know, I'll tell you what I did and where it was, or I can put the video up, let you take a look at it. So anyway, we got here and we got set up, and we've been to a couple of places already.
Yeah.
We just figured, we realized putting this video together that we didn't have a wrap-up, so here we are doing the wrap-up a little while later. So we've already done a few things. We've taken a tour of the park or the village or the development or whatever they call
Community.
it. The community. Thank you.
It's a community.
It's a community. So we've taken a tour, and we've got a video coming out on that, and we've already made a trip to Mexico.
Yep. We did a day trip over to Nuevo Progreso, and we'll have a video on that coming up too.
Yeah, so some exciting things coming up.
Yeah.
We've this area's just got a ton of things to do. The Winter Texans, as they call us, like this area very well. We're very welcomed into the community. We've already got a church that we've attended a couple of times.
Palm Valley Church.
Yeah.
It's a great church.
So we've been to those services already, and just kind of trying to fit in a little bit.
We've been here, what, 2.5 weeks?
Yeah, 2.5 weeks now.
Feels like we've been here forever, but it's only been 2.5 weeks, and we've only scratched a little bit of what we want to see. So it's going to be exciting to see all the other things, the butterfly sanctuary.
Yeah.
And
the weather's not bad. It was 54 when we got here. It's been in the 80s already, and now we're back down into the upper 60s.
yeah.
Supposed to get up to 80, I think, again tomorrow, but then back down this weekend. So
Not real consistent in the
Yeah.
warm weather, which is, I feel like I have a bug in my hair.
the average
We have bugs here.
the average highs for this time of year are in the low 70s. Average lows are in the low to mid 50s. And it's just been really comfortable.
You can go outside at night without a coat. That's what I like.
Yeah. So anyway, we're excited to kind of show you what we're doing here for the winter, and hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Yeah, it doesn't cost you anything to
Comment.
subscribe. We'd love to hear your comments, so give us some comments. Tell us what you'd like to see us do while we're down here, what you'd like to see.
Or if you've been here before,
Yeah.
and give us some ideas. That would be fun too.
Yeah, that would be fun.
We'll take you along for it.
So we enjoy comments, love them, and we'll get this video put up here shortly. So in the meantime,
Go out and explore.
thanks for watching.